Through the decades, the Heibrug has seen various transformations, from its deck renovation in 1958 to the reprofiling in 1983. Each phase of its history adds a layer to its story, from its beginnings as the Strontenburgerbrug, named for its less than pleasant aroma due to nearby shipyards, to its renaming in 1606, reflecting Amsterdam's attempt to formalize its street names. In 1892, the bridge witnessed hardship and renewal, a testament to its resilience. During its renovation, an unfortunate incident occurred when a stonemason suffered an injury from boiling lead, a stark reminder of the dangers faced by those who built the Amsterdam we know today. The early 20th century brought with it plans that could have altered the Heibrug's fate forever. In 1913, the proposal to widen the Leidsestraat threatened its very existence. Yet, the community's spirit and the city's evolving needs ensured its preservation, avoiding the proposed demolitions and relocations. Today, the Heibrug stands as a bridge, not just of bricks and metal, but of time and memories. It connects not only two streets, but also the past with the present, embodying Amsterdam's spirit of resilience, growth, and community. As we walk across the Heibrug, we tread on the footsteps of history, reminded of the enduring legacy and the continuous journey of this magnificent city. The Heibrug, a simple bridge in Amsterdam's centrum, is indeed a bridge through time, connecting generations and stories in the heart of Amsterdam. In the heart of Amsterdam, where the city's vibrant pulse beats the strongest, lies the Heibrug, a bridge not just of steel and stone, but of stories and connections. Today, let's journey across this iconic bridge and discover the tales it holds within its rails. As dawn breaks, the Heibrug stands serene, its reflection shimmering in the calm canal waters. This is the quiet hour, where the bridge whispers tales of yesteryears, of feet that have tread its path, and of the countless sunrises it has greeted. But serenity fades with the first light as the Heibrug braces for the day. Cyclists in a flurry, the rhythmic clacking of bicycle gears, tourists with wide-eyed wonder, and locals whose daily rituals are written into the very planks they traverse. Here, at Heibrug, life flows as endlessly as the canal beneath. As the day wanes, a tranquil lull settles over the bridge. A painter finds his muse in the play of light on water, while a lone musician's melody dances in the air, a fleeting but heartfelt tribute to the bridge that connects not just lands, but hearts. With the evening comes a golden glow, casting long shadows and painting the Heibrug in hues of nostalgia. Friends lean on the railing, lost in conversations that meander like the winding canals, while lovers steal kisses, their whispers adding to the bridge's age-old lore. Night drapes the Heibrug in mystery. The crowds have thinned, but the bridge is never alone. It stands a silent guardian, a keeper of secrets, as the stars reflect off the dark waters, whispering to those who listen about the beauty of connections, of crossings, and of the myriad paths that converge upon this bridge. And so, the Heibrug endures, a testament to Amsterdam's spirit, a bridge not just of passage, but of moments and memories. As we leave its embrace, we carry with us a piece of its story, a reminder of the bridges we cross in life and the trails we leave in the hearts of those we meet.